Learning is more important than ever, and I don't just mean attending virtual workshops. We are in an unprecedented crisis. No one has the answer what happens next. No one can say what products and services will thrive. No one can say what is the new normal. We are in the midst of an unfolding churn. In normal times, we draw on best practices, proven strategies, and copy competitors' success. This is nothing like normal. Instead, we're all on a level playing field because no one knows what the future holds. So what do we fall back on? Our learning ability to see emerging patterns faster than others. How are customers' behaviours changing? What are the new needs and pain points? What is the job to be done by perhaps new products and services? How does one learn this? We learn by talking. Talk to your customers, talk to your employees, talk to your peers. Then formulate your hypothesis on these needs and how to solve these needs. Keep trying it out. Wear the hat of a researcher or an innovator. That way, you will be at the forefront. Despite the thick cloud of uncertainty, you will find a path forward. So my challenge for you in the next week is to talk to 20 customers, employees or peers. Find out what are they seeing, what patterns do they see emerging, what are the new needs and pain points, and what might be needed to meet these needs. Thank you for listening. My name is Wendy Tan, and my work is about helping organizations and professionals thrive in the future of work. Thank you.